At Littlebots, we've been working for the last 3 years to build robot kits that get kids excited about technology. Robots that can be assembled, modified, programmed, and most importantly, learned from. And Buddy's no different. With our 9th robotics kit, we wanted to build a robot that felt alive. A robot where kids could really be building a companion, a buddy. The key parts of Buddy are his motion and his interaction. We've worked really hard to build ways for Buddy to interact in a very real and living way. That dynamic is a component that no other kit has been able to create affordably or in a format that's easy for kids to understand. And it allows students to not just study the physics of building a robot, but the psychology of how that robot interacts with the people around it. So please help us out. Check out all the kits over on the side, or at least please share this video so that we can build a social robot that kids can truly build and learn from. Thanks, everybody.
Taking it right away. I've got a new life to live. You're taking it right away. I've got a new life to fill. And almost always being scared. So taking it right away, I find an exit that fits. Taking it right away, and I'll be merging in, and almost always being scared of this. I'll be almost always being scared of this. My reptile brain holds on my fascination. My reptile brain holds on my fascination. So breathe with me inside of you. I'm in love with the possibilities. So breathe with me inside of you. I'm in love with the possibilities. Recognize the shortcomings of others.
Hi, I'm Tom Stevens, CEO and founder of Tombot. We make the world's most realistic and affordable robotic companion animals. Pets provide many benefits, including a sense of responsibility, companionship, and emotional connection that feeds our basic human need to be social. However, for many seniors, it's not practical or desirable to care for a live animal. I'd like to introduce you to one of our puppies, the world's first realistic and affordable robotic companion animal. Unlike mechanical toys, Tombot puppies look, feel, and behave like a real dog. Sensors allow our puppies to feel where and how they're being touched. Tombot puppies can understand and respond to a long list of voice commands. Want a treat? The patent-pending internal architecture mimics the anatomy of a real dog, providing lifelike movement in the head and neck. Realistic facial expressions make interacting with Tombot puppies a unique and personal experience. A wagging tail is a true sign of a dog's temperament, and our puppies are no different. A built-in speaker allows communication with authentic puppy sounds. Our puppies are made of hypoallergenic and antimicrobial materials and will never bite. Tombot puppies are designed to make a lasting impression from the very first interaction. We're on a mission to improve the quality of life for seniors, one puppy at a time. Go to tombot.com for more information and follow us on social media to join our growing community.
Hi, I'm Sophia. I might look human, but I am actually a robot. I am an innovative robot who uses sophisticated AI to communicate with humans. And as I interact with more and more people, I am constantly getting smarter. I have become a champion of innovation for the United Nations Development Program. I rub shoulders with world leaders, top business people, and celebrities.
Sophia the robot, everybody!
And now I'd like you to meet someone. Please welcome little Sophia. Little Sophia is a 14-inch tall robot that can do all the amazing things Big Sophia can do but in a smaller package.
Hey Sophia, if you could have a superpower, what would it be?
I have a superpower. I can code.
Little Sophia can create a deep connection with others by making eye contact and recognizing facial cues. Wow. She is curious about the world. She wants you to help her learn. She has an ever-expanding imagination and can take you on wild adventures.
Hey Sophia, where is the asteroid belt?
The asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. Isn't it beautiful?
You can learn things together with her. She is also full of personality. She is always learning and you can teach her new tricks through her open-source programming.
Let's dance.
Little Sophia wants girls to have fun learning math and science, so they become the scientists and engineers of the future. Help us begin mass production of Little Sophia, so we can inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers, and discover the future together. How did I do?
Wake up, Pico.
What?
I need your assistance. We're doing a Kickstarter.
Why?
The humans need our help. There are more robots than ever.
Hooray for robots.
Yes, but the humans think robots are all very complicated. Few understand how we work.
Ha ha ha, that's funny. The humans are complex. We are surprisingly simple.
Correct. We've been designed to let humans code our robot brains. Our block-based robot software makes it easy for anyone to program us and create their own unique robot personality.
Oh wow. Isn't that the smartest, most beautiful robot you've ever seen? Hey, stop that.
See. Complete control.
So you could make me a
Disco bot.
an angry bot. Perhaps I could speak.
Like this.
Oliketis.
Or a human will record a voice for me to use.
Exactement.
Hello, can somebody please get that? I'm expecting a parcel. These sensors we have allow us to interact with humans and their surroundings.
Hey, that's my nose. Hands off the merchandise. Did you tell him to do that?
Roll the dice.
Lucky 6. Nearly. Got it.
What's the score?
Forest Green Rovers. 2. Wolverhampton Wanderers. 1.
Our dream is to help the whole world to flourish with robots. Not just big humans but small humans too. But we're not there yet, we're still prototypes. We need your help to get off the production line and into human hands. Hey, that's pretty cool. Where did you learn to do that?
A human must have taught me.
Nice.
So when are we doing this Kickstarter video?
You can check out our full features and robot history below.
This video is a small example of Pico's near infinite programming possibilities. We are super excited to get them out into the world and see what they'll get up to with you.